चमेली सर, साउथ अफ्रीका में शूटिंग हुई है।
हाँ जी।
कितना बजट मतलब खराब हो गया था वहाँ पे शूट करते हुए?
खराब तो नहीं हुआ था,
सस्ती जगह तो है नहीं साउथ अफ्रीका।
आपको तो दिख ही रहा है क्या हुआ था। सिर्फ प्रोड्यूसर हिल गया था थोड़ा।
प्रोड्यूसर हिल गया था थोड़ा।
रिलीज के पहले हर प्रोड्यूसर हिल जाता है। But overall it's a great product and I'm happy of the outcome.
Now from Mohra to Gup to Ishq Forever, every movie that you've been associated with, love का theme, इश्क का theme बड़ा strong होता है आपकी पिक्चरों के साथ सर, ऐसा क्यों?
Because मैं भी एक romantic आदमी हूँ, तो and I think so that's the best language on earth, love. So, yeah.
We hear it from Mr. Shabir Bakhwara.
I would like to firstly invite my very dear friend and who's been we worked in 3 films now, starting from Dil Ka Rishta. So I have a Dil Ka Rishta with him, and Pyar Ishq Aur Mohabbat, and EMI, which was a different genre, but there also he was a romantic guy in the film. And so Arjun Rampal.
Can we hear from Mr. Arjun Rampal, everybody? While Arjun makes his way up on the stage, I would also like to invite the director of the film, somebody who's literally grown up in the film industry, Mr. Sameer Sippy. Everyone, can we hear it for the director? Sameer Sippy, the director of the film.
And I would request Arjun to introduce my new pair, who you've seen on the screen, and I promise you they're lovely. So he's just going to bring them up on the stage and introduce you all.
Firstly, good afternoon everyone, and thank you all for coming on this weekend. It's lovely to be here with Shabir. As he said, we've done many films together. In fact, Dil Ka Rishta was also in South Africa where we shot it. So South Africa is a beautiful place to go and shoot, and I'm sure the whole crew must have had a lot of fun there. But I'd just like to say something about Shabir. I started my career really with Ashok ji, and then with Rajiv and Shabir we did my first film that released, which was Pyar Ishq Aur Mohabbat, and then we went on to do Dil Ka Rishta together. And I remember when we did Dil Ka Rishta, we were invited in South Africa because it became like this massive, it was one of the biggest hit films out of South Africa. So we went there and we didn't know that the film had become such a big hit. And we got off the plane and there was security and all, so we were wondering who's this VIP who's come. And then we realized it was for us, and we were whisked out of the airport and taken to this mall where there were thousands of people with red roses who were standing there. And I was like really overwhelmed, and I looked back and I see Shabir standing behind me and he's got tears in his eyes and he's crying. So I thought, you know, this is like really a moving moment for Shabir and everything. So I was like, Shabir, it's really touching, isn't it? Okay, आपकी पिक्चर इतनी बड़ी है, तो इस समय इसलिए नहीं रो रहा, इंडिया में इतनी बड़ी हिट क्यों नहीं हुई, इसलिए रो रहा हूँ. But I wish the team of Ishq Forever a lot more success than we got with Dil Ka Rishta, and hopefully it touches many hearts. And there's a young couple here who are going to be launched with this film, Krishna and Rosie. So please, if you can join us, good looking and beautiful girls. And I think they need all your blessings and all your love and support. So please give it to them.
Krishna Chaturvedi and Rosie Singh, everybody, the leading pair.
And then there are 2 of my other really favorite actors, and one of my most favorite, gorgeous, most beautiful models, Lisa and Javed. Please come.
Javed Jaffrey, Lisa, hey everyone!
And Lisa, you are the pretty one, not Javed. Huh? Yes, and Mukesh, Aja, without you, he's a...
Mr. Mukesh Chhabra, responsible for putting this beautiful cast together. And caning the, as Shabir says, chhadi marte hai. So, you know what, I'll come that side.
Zubin, and one of the cast of our film, Mahesh. कहाँ हो आप? कहाँ छिपे हुए? Who's playing the bad guy, the funny bad guy? जुबिन आपको इस पिक्चर के जो टाइटल सॉन्ग है वो गा के सुना देंगे थोड़े. ही इज गॉट अ लवली वॉइस.
जिससे इश्क करो, इश्क फॉरएवर करो, जिससे इश्क करो, इश्क फॉरएवर करो. हो ला 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 ला. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that. Now that our entire cast and crew is up on stage, हाँ फोटोज खींचते रहिए यार, तो बातें भी करते रहेंगे. कीजिए सर, आप फोटो कीजिए सर, आप अपना काम कीजिए पहले. मैं अपना काम बातें करूँ. ना जाड़ू जाफी एक ऐसा नाम है जो सिनोनिमस है विद मेकिंग पीपल लाफ, कॉमेडी. लेकिन शुरुआत आपकी हुई थी एक ऐसी फिल्म से जिसमें कॉमेडी तो आप बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहे थे. सो व्हाट इज मोर फन फॉर यू, डूइंग कॉमेडी या ऐसा एकदम मार धार एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस?
फन तो ऑब्वियसली इट हैज टू बी कॉमेडी ना. मार धार में फन मतलब ठीक है, अलग किस्म का फन होता है.
What's more exciting for you, comedy or action sequences where this?
Anything. देखिए कोई भी कुछ एक्टर के लिए कुछ ना कुछ नया करना जो होता है उसके लिए हमेशा एक्साइटिंग होगा. तो अगर आप जो कुछ ऐसी चीज कर रहे हैं जो पहले नहीं किया आपने, तो कोई भी एक्टर हो उसके लिए वो बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटिंग होता है. तो दिस वाज मोर लाइक अ रॉ एजेंट. एक्चुअली रॉ बोलते हैं बट हम पूरे पके हुए हैं. तो यू नो पके हुए रॉ एजेंट्स हैं. नहीं
अमिताभ का जो किरदार है इसमें, ये एक पेट्रियट है जिसके लिए उसका देश उसके लिए सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है.
ओरिजिनली इसका नाम किरदार खान था, फिल्म पे चेंज.
किरदार खान तो अमिताभ का. तो एक ऐसा जो कैरेक्टर जो आप प्ले कर रहे हैं इस मूवी में, do you think that our country needs a person like that right now, a non-corrupt?
हाईली रिक्वायर्ड ना, बिकॉज कंट्री में तो हमारा करप्शन तो हमारा धर्म क्या बोलते हैं जन सिद्ध अधिकार है, वो हमारे क्या बोलते हैं वो रग रग में घुसा हुआ है, रोग रोग में घुसा हुआ है, यू नो ऑल द रोग विच आर बोर्न इन दिस कंट्री। तो वो तो अभी देखो पॉलिटिक्स में एक प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि मैं भी थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड किया था मैंने, तो उस रीजन ये था कि मैंने एक को सुना एक्चुअली कि रिपोर्टर आके, आई मीन ऑल वन ऑफ द मीडिया पीपल, वो अंग्रेजी में बोल दिया बाय मिस्टेक कि भाई सर व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द प्रॉब्लम विद द क्या कहते हैं उसको इकोनॉमिक डिस्पैरिटी इन दिस कंट्री। तो बिहार के थे वो, उसको पूछ रहे सर व्हाट इज द ये इकोनॉमिक डिस्पैरिटी कंट्री की, उसके बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है? तो वो इकोनॉमिक डिस्पैरिटी बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस, इकोनॉमिक डिस्पैरिटी देखिए एज लॉन्ग एज द इकोनॉमी इज इन डिस्पैरिटी एंड नॉट इन दैट पैरिटी इट इज ऑलराइट। तो ये तो हमारा जन से अधिकार होता है ना, तो करप्शन तो नहीं जाएगा, बट वी होप दैट समवेयर डाउन द लाइन देयर आर सम गुड पीपल हु आर फाइटिंग फॉर दिस। एंड जो कहते हैं ना क्या है अपना हिंदुस्तान में ट्रकों के पीछे बहुत लिखा था ना कि 100 में से 99 बेईमान, फिर भी मेरा भारत महान, लेकिन वो एक तो है ना 99, वो एक के ऊपर सब आ रहा है, तो वो एक कहीं ना कहीं रहेगा तो अच्छी बात है।
Can we hear from Mr. Javed Jafri, everybody, please?
थैंक यू।
Lisa, my next question is to you, Miss Lisa Ray, the gorgeous, stunning Lisa Ray. Hi.
Thank you. Hello. Hi, everyone. Yeah. You want to? This is all I heard the entire shoot. Go ahead.
What? Sorry.
What were you just singing?
Lisa Ray, Lisa Ray.
As you can tell, we have this pretty good, on camera and off camera as well.
Now, what is this in-film chemistry that you guys are sharing? It's a big mystery, it's a big secret that we're not supposed to...
I've got these two now staring me down, so don't make me give away anything that I'm not supposed to. And besides, I mean, I'm playing, I can tell you that I am playing also a raw agent.
Yes.
And, as agents, we keep our secrets very well. Go ahead, torture me. Torture me!
This is a very big thing, but it's very well, in the Indian cinema that I get pregnant.
There you have it, headlines for today, tomorrow.
There we go. You have your headline right there.
Javed Jafri plays a pregnant man. Fantastic. But it must have been damn fun shooting all those guns and running and doing all those badass action.
Damn fun and a lot of work as well. We all prepared. I think we all worked really hard. Again, it was a beautiful location, obviously shooting in South Africa. And I'm very grateful to the whole team here. Thank you so much for making it a really, really enjoyable shoot. It was tough. I mean, we spent a lot of nights. I love the night shoots, right, Sam? Love them, miss them so much. Up all night and the weather, and whoever thought that Africa is hot has obviously not been to South Africa when we were shooting, because it was damn cold, especially shooting in the middle of the night. But that's what everyone sort of we all bonded together very much, and I'm really excited to see the film, and I'm really grateful. Thank you, Shabir, as well, for making that call and finding me, and thank you. Where is Mukesh? Mr. Chabra, who apparently, true story, you guys set up a bet. Yeah, who won?
What was this bet? We would like to know, what was this bet? Shabir sir, what was this bet? Could you please tell us? Kya thi ye bet?
Mukesh was suggesting the casting.
Sir, center look please.
For this. Center when we were looking at the options for casting Naina, the character which Lisa plays, and Mukesh suddenly said that if you could get Lisa for this role, it would be ideal, and but she's not working for a long time, and I don't know how to connect with her. So I said, don't worry, I know her. He didn't know that I knew Lisa 20 years back. We've been friends, and so I made this call. I tracked her down from Canada, and her agent.
And what was the bet? How much?
Which he's supposed to give me. That's a secret.
Lisa ideally should get a cut.
Yeah.
I think so. I definitely want my commission.
So that's how I tracked her from Hong Kong, where she was living with her husband, and I sent her the script. Sameer spoke to her, and she was on board.
It turned out well for everybody.
Yes.
More fun for everyone.
Except for
Who's
Mukesh.
lost his money? Who's lost money? But
Yeah, I'd like to say one thing for as far as Lisa is concerned. This was in 90 whatever. There was this the magazine cover of Glad Rags, Glad Rags in the swimsuit, and that was like we were like and everybody had that thing put up in that bedroom out there. So Lisa goes for me way back on that, I remember, and she's been a fighter all her life, and she's fought life, and she's come out a winner. And this is a comeback, and I hope and I pray that you keep fighting and you hang around here with us and all of you, and we all love you and glad to have you back.
here's Lisa Ray, everybody. Thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you so much. Now moving on to the other actress in the film, Miss Ruhi Singh. Hi, Ruhi. You look lovely today. Ruhi, you've represented India in various international beauty pageants. आप जीत कर भी आई हैं पिछले साल एक beauty pageant. ज़्यादा nerve wracking, ज़्यादा scary क्या होता है? ऐसा स्टेज पे खड़े होकर beauty contestant बनना या अपनी movie मीडिया के आगे present करना?
Hello everybody. दोनों ही बहुत 30 seconds. Okay, so basically जब मैं वहाँ पे pageant में थी, आप जब मिस इंडिया बन के आप कहीं जाते हैं, आप इंडिया को represent करते हैं, तो सब बाहर की countries के लोग होते हैं जो आपको judge कर रहे होते हैं, पर यहाँ तो सब अपने ही हैं. एंड आई होप कि आपको मेरा ट्रेलर पसंद आया, और मैं नई हूँ, कोई गलती हो गई हो तो सॉरी, हेल्प मी इम्प्रूव, एंड आई एम वेरी नर्वस.
How many marks, Arjun sir, for this beauty contestant out of 10 for that answer?
Yeah.
Just out of 10, how
मुझे
would you
सब
rate that
अपने ही
answer?
है तो मुझे lenient.
10 on
Thank you so much.
10. इस रोल के लिए आपने तैयारी क्या किया? You playing the Prime Minister's daughter. मोदी जी से मिलने की कोशिश, something along those lines, थोड़ा emailing.
नहीं,
मोदी जी से मीटिंग नहीं है तो केजरीवाल जी से मिलके आ गई.
या मेरी फ्रेंड है जो मोदी है, बट नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. एक्चुअली प्राइम मिनिस्टर की डॉटर के साथ साथ रिया एक बड़ी ही जिंदा दिल और फ्रीडम लविंग लड़की है, जैसा कि हमने ट्रेलर में देखा, और कई हद तक मैं वही हूँ. जो भी हमारी कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स है वो कनेक्ट कर पाएंगी रिया से, बिकॉज वी ऑल लव टू लिव अवर लाइफ टू द फुलेस्ट एंड वी ऑल लव आवर फ्रीडम, डोंट वी? सो ज़्यादा कुछ मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी, और ऑनेस्टली जितना लीजा जी को मजा आया वहाँ पे, इवन आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. द होल क्रू, आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू शबीर सर, टू मुकेश, टू समीर, टू everybody over there for treating me like a princess, and I had a great time.
Lovely. Ruhi Singh, everybody. All right. Now moving on to that actor जिनके बारे में हम सबसे कम जानते हैं, but we want to know more about Mr. Krishna Chaturvedi.
Hello.
Hi, Krishna.
Hi.
Lovely. ये बताइए, ये मूवी आपके पास कैसे है? How does Ishq Forever happen to you?
चल के आई. Well, thanks to Shabir sir, he contacted me on Facebook. Like it's very. I should thank Mark Zuckerberg for this. I was just
Facebook.
Facebook. So I was just doing my modeling stuff, and one day I saw a message from Shabir sir, and he said like, "Are you interested in acting?" I said yes, of course I am interested. So I went to meet him, and I gave few look tests for this movie, and finally I got selected.
All well that ends.
Yeah, all well.
Now आर्यन के कैरेक्टर के बारे में ट्रेलर से बहुत ही कम पता चल रहा है. हमें पता चल रहा है ये रॉ एजेंट्स हैं, ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर की बेटी है. ये आर्यन कौन है, कहाँ से आया, क्या है ये कैरेक्टर?
Well, Aryan, he's a traveler. He's a free-spirited guy, and he's just a traveler. And on his journey, how he meets this lovely girl, and then the story starts.
कैसे बाइक भी है और बाइक भी और बाइको भी है. Fantastic. Only Mr. Javed Jafri. Fantastic. Can we hear it for this beautiful debut actor Krishna, everybody?
Thank you so much. Beautiful or handsome?
समीर, मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रही थी about the music of the film. हमारे जो गीतकार हैं समीर साहब, वो आज हमें ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए, पर आप हमें बताइए, नदीम साहब को आप वापस लेकर आ रहे हैं एज अ म्यूजिक कंपोजर आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स. नदीम साहब जिनका म्यूजिक इज स्टेपल, आई मीन सबको मालूम है उनके गाने. व्हाई नदीम सर, एंड हाउ डिड दिस हैपन?
After Shabir bhai spoke to me and we confirmed the film, he said that Nadeem bhai had spoken to him and he said, okay fine, I've got a couple of songs which I want to bring out, and it's more like his comeback. So we were like, okay, fine, let's hear the songs, and we heard the songs. We really, really liked it. It always has a flavor of the 90s, which is the typical Nadeem music. And we enjoyed it, honestly, we really liked what he gave us. It's different from today's music. Today's music is great, not that it's not great, but his is always very different. So we were like, why not?
So, what can we expect from the soundtrack of this film?
Honestly, the only thing that I can say is it's fabulous. That's all.
There we have it. That's the director, Sameer Sippy, everybody. We would also like to thank Z Entertainment Enterprises. We would like to thank Inox. And we would like to thank our other producers, Ajay Shah and Mr. Himanshu Gandhi, for making this possible. Thank you so much, everybody, cast, Mr. Rampal, everyone. And I think we can open the house for Q&As if anybody has any questions. We can have a mic that can go around.
You work with prominent directors like Madhur Bhandarkar in Calendar Girls. Yeah. So does the success and unsuccess of your previous film, do you think about it, or you just work reminded in your next project as such?
Well, first of all, yes, debuting with someone like Madhur Bhandarkar is anybody's dream, and I was very lucky that I got that opportunity. Well, I think hits and misses are a part of the industry. कहीं ना कहीं हार जीत तो लगी रहती है ज़िंदगी में, और स्कूल में मैं बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर रही हूँ, तो एक स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप का स्पिरिट लेके मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी जीना पसंद करती हूँ. एवरीवन लव्स मयूरी चौहान इन कैलेंडर गर्ल्स. एक बड़ा ही फनी एक बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस का किरदार था, एंड यहाँ पे मैं रिया प्ले कर रही हूँ जो कि काफ़ी ऑपोजिट है उस कैरेक्टर से, एंड बहुत मेहनत की है. यहाँ पे मेरे डायरेक्टर है समीर सिप्पी, जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया. एक प्रिंसेस की तरह मुझे वहाँ ट्रीट किया गया. तो होपफुली आपको मेरी परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ पे भी पसंद आएगी, एंड होपफुली ये फिल्म सुपर हिट हो जाएगी.
So yesterday in Goa, Remo Fernandes did an accident. In spite of taking care of that girl, Remo Fernandes had an ugly spat with the girl. So do you think when a person is a celebrity, sometimes he takes undue advantage of it and don't fulfill their social responsibility as such?
Personally, I didn't even know about this. This is the first time I'm hearing about it. Remo I know for many years, and he's a very decent man, and he's a complete gentleman. He's a very honest guy. So that's all I can say about him, and it's really unfortunate firstly that there's an accident that's taken place, and I'm sure Remo must have done whatever's right at that point in time, and how did the girl take advantage of him? I don't know. So is she suing him, or I don't know what she's doing. So I really am unaware of that the circumstances, but I'm sure whatever Remo's done as a human being that I know him, he must have done the right thing at that point in time, and he must have tried to take care of the girl.
अर्जुन जी, आजकल आप हमें बड़े पर्दे पर इश्क करते हुए नहीं दिखाई दे रहे हैं, काफ़ी दूरियां बना रखी हो, कोई खास वजह कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
हाँ यार, क्या है कि मैं शिलोंग में था, और काफ़ी दूर है शिलोंग यहाँ से. वहाँ पर रॉक ऑन 2 की शूटिंग हो रही है, और रॉक ऑन में भी ज़्यादा कुछ इश्क नहीं हो रहा, क्योंकि वो इश्क तो म्यूज़िक से उस फिल्म में. तो बहुत जल्द होपफुली आप मुझे इश्क करते देखेंगे विद माई गिटार इन रॉक ऑन 2.
कैसी चल रही है आपकी रॉक ऑन 2 की शूटिंग?
अच्छी चल रही है. आधी फिल्म कंप्लीट हो गई है, और अब मुंबई की स्केड्यूल बाकी है, तो वो 15 जन से शुरू होगी.
कृष्णा, आपने डायलॉग बहुत ही स्मार्टली हमने देखा ट्रेलर पे, आपने बोला कि जब भी कोई लड़की आधी रात को चल रही होती तो उसकी हेल्प जरूर करनी चाहिए. रियल लाइफ में कितनी हेल्प की है आज तक आपने किसी भी लड़की की?
और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच कि आपको डायलॉग अच्छा लगा, और मैं तो एक्चुअली मौके में रहता हूँ कि कब कोई खूबसूरत लड़की दिखे और उसकी हेल्प करूँ.
डेब्यू भी कर रहे हैं आप इस फिल्म के साथ में, आपके ठीक बाजू में सुपरस्टार खड़े होते, क्या कितना फॉलो करते हैं आप उन्हें, और क्या क्वालिटी आपकी उन्हें अच्छी लगती है?
एक्चुअली मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि मैं अर्जुन सर को आज से नहीं, एक्चुअली बहुत टाइम से फॉलो करता हूँ, जब से मैंने मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट की. तो ही इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट मॉडल्स एट दैट टाइम, एंड ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट एक्टर्स, एंड आई एम जस्ट ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर रॉक ऑन 2 राइट नाउ.
In the film industry. So any plans to work more and more in Bollywood now?
First of all, I never plan anything. I've learned by my recent experiences in life just to take life as it comes. So, post-cancer, I'm just full of gratitude for everything that life has to offer. I have done another film as well, which is up for release in another few months. But right now, I'm just sort of putting all of my attention and focus on the release of Ishq Forever. But thank you for asking. because kyunki I mean I'm an odd ball. I've never fit in anywhere perfectly. I consider myself very Indian because I've moved to India when I was 16 and I have the whole 90s, and like Javed, you know, reminded us that I was on a lot of people's walls. That's often what I get. Hey, you were on my wall, and it's a little freaky, but today I take it as a huge compliment. Well, I don't know, man. I don't know what men do with posters and walls, and I don't want to know too much. But you know, it's all good, and you know, I mean, today, obviously, look, I'm very frank about the fact I'm 43. And I started my career very young, and you know, I've gone through many different transitions, and I've taken very individualistic choices, and I'm very grateful to be here today in Bombay. I think the film industry is going through such an interesting period right now. I think that the stories and the roles have shifted dramatically since the 90s. So I'm just very grateful to, you know, maybe play a small role in that. And I love India, so I'm between here and Hong Kong.
How was your chemistry with Lisa Ray in this film?
बिल्कुल chemistry, biology, physics सब first class एकदम
लेकिन
fantastic.
कुछ
Great
बताइए.
time. नहीं, as I said again, I have always admired her. She's one of the most beautiful women I've seen, known, and yes, on my wall. And to have the opportunity, because when Shabir told me that she's doing it, that was one of the big incentives के Lisa के साथ काम करेंगे, and it was, you know, and like I said, she's been a fighter, and I love that spirit that she fought. And the role which she's playing, उसमें भी उनका ऐसा ही है कि वो एक फाइटर है, और हमारा एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग हमारा जो रिश्ता है, जो इसके बारे में पूरा सुष्मिता मुखर्जी, हाँ, तो इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. और जो इनके साथ काम करने का, एक्चुअली लोग जानते नहीं, ट्रेन्ड एक्ट्रेस है, लंदन में एक्चुअली एक्टिंग स्कूल में जाके इन्होंने एक्टिंग, जिस तरह से थिएटर एक्टिंग होती है उसके बारे में हासिल की. और ये जब मैंने काम किया तो मुझे एहसास हुआ कि मंझी भी एक एक्ट्रेस है जो अपना काम जानती है, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ प्रीटी फेस. तो इस फिल्म में दिखेगा आपको जिस तरह से इन्होंने अपना किरदार निभाया, और उसके पहले वाटर भी की थी. तो
I just wanted to add, it was also such a superb experience to act with Javed. Again, an old friend. I think you were on some people's walls as well back in the 90s, maybe.
नहीं, वो आगरा में लोग लगा रहे थे दीवारों पे मुझे.
But we've had that, you know, it was a beautiful bonding. I mean, we haven't seen each other in years, but you know, it was a beautiful chemistry, and I had so much fun shooting with him. And I have to admit, I was a little nervous. You know, it's been a long time since I have been in a Hindi film. You know, and I was nervous. Like, I think every actor, you still get nervous. You think, can I still do this? I don't know. What am I doing? Am I just a fraud? And you know, and I'm very upfront about that. My only complaint is, I think in India, I never got enough credit for being a trained actress, because most of my acting career has been outside of India for the last few years, and I've actually done very, very serious roles. So this was a beautiful departure, even though it's, you know, there's a lot of action and it's intense, but it's such a beautifully shot film, and I think that it has everything. Not that I'm saying it's a typical masala film, but I think that the storyline is so interesting. There's so many layers and twists, and that's why we can't talk about it. We basically can't say much about our characters because there's so many twists in the film, and you know, and I have great hopes for this film, so I hope you all will support it.
जावेद जी, पॉलिटिक्स की दुनिया आपको ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है या फिर इस तरह से लीजा?
पॉलिटिक्स की दुनिया मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छी लगती है.
अच्छा.
मैं गया था, फिर बाहर निकल गया मैं. लेकिन ये मेरा काम है, इस इंडस्ट्री में मैं पैदा हुआ हूँ, मेरे फादर एक्टर रह चुके हैं, और मैं भी करीबन 30 साल से इसी इंडस्ट्री में हूँ, और यही मेरा सब कुछ है काम के सिलसिले में. मैं और कुछ नहीं कर सकता. बहुत कुछ समझता हूँ, जनरल नॉलेज रखता हूँ, बिजनेस भी समझता हूँ, लेकिन इसमें ही मेरा दिल है, मेरा मन है. मैं सोचता भी फिल्म हूँ, मैं समझता भी फिल्म हूँ, तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि एटलीस्ट जब I die with my boots and my makeup on, so that's what I hope, and I love this place. So
क्या हम ऐसा माने कि गलती से आप चले गए थे?
गलती से नहीं किया था. मेरी इंटेंशन, मेरी नियत ये थी कि मैं कुछ योगदान कर सकूं, बिकॉज हमारा एक फर्ज होता है कि अगर आपको लगता है कुछ चीजें गलत हैं, तो आपको जो सही लगता है उसके साथ अपने आवाज उठाएं, उनका साथ दें. चुप बैठ के पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट होना मैं अच्छा नहीं, डिप्लोमेटिक नहीं समझ। मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपको अब किसी बारे में बोलना है एक हिंदुस्तानी सिटीजन होने के नाते, इट इज़ आपका फर्ज है कि अगर आपको कुछ गलत लग रहा है तो आप बोल सके, और सही लग रहा है वो बोल सके। तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे एक हिस्सा बनना चाहिए अगर सही तरीके से कोई कुछ करना चाह रहा है, कुछ इस नियत से आगे आए। तो बाकी एज अ सेड अगेन, मैं हमेशा रहूँगा, जो मुझे लगता है सही है मैं आवाज़ उठा के कहूँगा कि मुझे ये सही लगता है।
सवाल जवाब खत्म हो चुके हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू, आप लोग आए और वक्त दिया, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये फिल्म भी आपको पसंद आएगी हम सब की तरफ से। आई थैंक यू ऑल फ्रॉम द कास्ट एंड क्रू ऑफ इट्स फॉरएवर, एंड आप भी लगे रहे। हमारा दोनों चोली क्या बोलते हो, चोली दामन का साथ है मीडिया और हमारा, तो यू नो, तो जिस तरह से हम साथ चलते हैं यही चलता रहेगा।
Thank you so much everybody. Thank you so much members of the media for being here.